We're so excited to showcase a bunch of our fun group costumes with all of you. We brought in a bunch of our employees from Yandy, and we're so excited to share this.
Yeah, we thought it'd be a good idea to have everybody in the office kind of come in and model and showcase what we have. So we're excited to show you guys.
And let's do this. Stay tuned. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Don't forget that we have a $500 giveaway going on.
The link will be in the bio below, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you think, and we will be having videos every Wednesday, so stay tuned for that.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.